I feel supported, like, because I have Wilco. Every time I have a problem, I will always email him. He got to be tired of hearing me email him. But I also have like my tutors and stuff, so if I have a problem, I will just go to them. But other than that, I'm very well supported.
You get different sort of support from obviously different people. The greatest support will be sort of the coordinators, such as Mayor, even Wilco. Those would be the ones that support us the most. After that would be course leaders, module leaders. They're really easy to get access to. You can speak to them, they'll reply to you, so they will support you in that sense. And thirdly, the students also can give you some support by, well, not being difficult, I suppose.
Well, you got a lot of mentors going around and emailing you and letting you know where you should go. We meet like once a month to see how we're doing, what we do in the workshop, to meet with the lecturers to see what is going to happen next week, so you can get ahead with your job and know what you're going to help other students with. Besides, you got the students coming over and telling you, well, this week I got some problems with this, or this lecture wasn't that helping in so many things. So you just go and write everything, and you meet with your other peers and you put it all in common, and you say, oh, let's go for writing skills, or let's go for essays writing. And you just go and keep going.
Well, I feel very supported because I could walk into your office anytime I find you, or I could email Claire whenever I get stranded. So you guys are very open, and I feel very supported.
Well, it's good. We know the classes we need to go now. It was a bit different the first time we had to do, because it was just developing then, so we never actually got, like a message that the classes are going to change, or it's going to happen somewhere else, or the timings might be changed. But this year it's a bit different. We do get the information on time, so we do know what to do. Yeah.
There was an excellent support network, both by Wilco and by our lecturers. They provided us with extra facilities and extra clinics and support sessions for students. So I'm doing biomedical sciences, so there are extra sessions in order to help them on areas they were stuck on. And that in turn allowed students to become more confident in their course and in the specific areas that they were finding difficulty.